I made a new art medium using this face wash. So let's see. Refreshing face wash, caring every day. They never thought that one day I would make a custom art medium with this instead of caring my face. Okay, so first we need some simple tools like color pencil, brush and cutter. And I start shaping color pencil. I don't know if this video is an art challenge or a tutorial. I think it's both, but it's more likely to be an art challenge. Cause most of us just prefer to simply use existing art mediums instead of inventing something new like this. Unless you're out of watercolor or gouache. Cause this art medium will be something between gouache and watercolor. And I wanted to share what happens if you combine a face wash with color pencil powder. I think it's something interesting. Also, I'm going to make an artwork using this art medium and see how the colors will look like. Okay, so now let's add the face wash. Our new art medium is ready, made of color pencil powder and face wash. So now let's sketch something and try this custom art medium. I can't add any shadings with color pencils and I can't even add white pencil. I think I made a rubbish art medium. Just never try these kind of things. It's terrible. Okay, I think it doesn't really work. As although the making process was satisfying, it took a lot of time to shape color pencils and just doesn't work. Rubbish. Okay, anyway, let's calm down and instead, I want to share a useful tip using this face wash. And this time it really works, believe me. You can add a layer of face wash on a color pencil artwork. It makes it look brighter and enhance the coloring. Okay, so it was a new challenge, but this time my art challenge failed. So anyway, if you enjoyed the process, like the video and subscribe. If you want to know how you can color static anime eyes with watercolor, you can check this video.